You know, Chesley Christ's death is the most recent and very highly publicized case of some of the devastating side effects of mental health struggles and outcomes here. You know, both anxiety and depression have been on the rise during the pandemic. Getting help, however, will soon be a little bit easier, a little more accessible for some of the underserved parts of the Charlotte area. And WCNC Charlotte's Jane Monreal is live for us in Charlotte to show us how folks without insurance can still get treatment.
Exactly, Vanessa. The Michael Jordan Family Health Clinic, medical clinic rather, is one of two Charlotte locations helped by the basketball superstar himself with his $7 million donation. Now, the Novant Health facilities currently provide medical care to the city's most vulnerable communities. But now, in addition to more accessible medical care to those patients, they'll now be able to receive proper mental health care services as well. Dr. Kevin Mara, the Director of Medical Services at HopeWay, says their mission is to inspire mental health wellness for all.
It came about because there are so many people in the Charlotte region that don't have insurance and can't really access mental health care.
Dr. Jonathan Wilson, a physician at Novant Health, Michael Jordan Family Medical Clinic, says having a safe environment where patients feel comfortable talking about their experiences is liberating.
You know, honestly, when people get these issues addressed, they end up their blood pressure comes down, their blood sugars get better because those stress hormones start decreasing as they start dealing with some of the things that they've been through.
After patients in the Novant Health system go through the referral process, they can be seen at the clinic in person and virtually. Medical professionals from HopeWay are then able to dive into complex mental health conditions like PTSD and other forms of trauma.
Whether that be medications, therapy, and, you know, fortunately, they have good therapy services associated with that.
Dr. Morrow says throughout the pandemic, they've been able to reach more patients virtually, and so that really does help with the people that have transportation issues. So they'll continue to have this model of in-person and virtual visits, and that will help alleviate some of that problem in the community. Live in Charlotte, Jane Monreal, WCNC Charlotte.
An important and much needed service in our community. Jane, thank you for that report.